Welcome to Skilled Carpenters, your local carpenter on the northern beaches. This set of stairs in Narrabeen was in bad shape. The timber was rotten in critical spots, making it structurally weak and unsafe to use. So we got to work. First job was to dismantle the existing stairs. Cut the frame with pinpoint accuracy to get the angles right. This is where skills and experience come to play. The smallest mistake can have grave consequences down the line. Everything has to be aligned perfectly before assembly. It seems simple, but the ground is not flat. Better check twice. It has to look straight from all angles. That feels safer. Imagine walking down on that thing. Once you set it up right, the rest flows naturally. The handrails are back for safety. A couple more steps to cut to precision, and it's almost done. It's starting to look good. And voila, the last screw is in. Another project completed by skilled carpenters. Do you have a carpentry project you need done? Better call Skilled Carpenters.